Most people believe likability is something natural. Either people like you or they don't. But psychology says the opposite. There are simple behaviors that instantly make people see you as more trustworthy, confident, and likable. In this video, you'll learn 10 science-backed psychology tricks that you can start using today and see results in just a few days. Use their name. One of the fastest ways to connect with someone is to use their name in conversation. When a person hears their own name, their brain activates in a unique way. It makes them feel recognized and valued. Just don't overuse it. Keep it natural, warm, and effortless. Mirror their body language. People like those who feel familiar. Gently matching someone's posture, tone, or energy creates subconscious connection. If they lean forward, you lean a little. If they speak softly, lower your tone slightly. This subtle mirroring builds trust faster than words. Give small wins. People naturally like those who make them feel good. You don't need big gestures. A simple compliment, a supportive line, or validating one small thing they said. These tiny emotional wins make the brain associate you with positive feelings. Ask meaningful questions. People open up when you ask small but thoughtful questions. Ask things like, "What made your day good today? What do you enjoy doing when you're free?" These create deeper bonds than boring routine questions. Let them talk more. Here's a psychology secret. People enjoy conversations where they speak more. Good listeners are rare, and rare things are respected. If you let someone express themselves freely, they'll remember you as someone they feel safe with. Match their energy. When your energy matches theirs, they feel instantly comfortable. Excited people love enthusiasm. Calm people love calmness. Your energy is a signal, and it tells others you understand them. Don't over-explain yourself. Confident people don't justify every small decision. Say your point clearly and simply. Over-explaining reduces authority. Speak with calmness, not desperation. That's a powerful sign of self-respect. Smile genuinely. A genuine smile, the one that reaches your eyes, activates mirror neurons in the brain. People automatically smile back and feel more comfortable around you. This tiny shift increases warmth and likability instantly. Give space when needed. Respecting someone's personal space shows maturity. Don't be overly available. Don't overwhelm. Healthy space makes people value your presence even more. End on a high note. People remember the end of a conversation more than the beginning. Ending with a positive comment or a warm goodbye creates lasting impressions. These psychology tricks take only seconds to use, but they completely change how people see you. Try even 2 or 3 from today and watch your social life transform. Follow for more psychology-backed insights.